Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today we have here an additional, not in today's newspaper, on Thursday, February 24th, 2020, because we have in today's newspaper only one regular Sudoku, a Sudoku medium, so no additional, but it's the additional of the yesterday's edition, Wednesday, February the 23rd, 2022. We have here 3 puzzles left: Letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic. I will solve the first Sudoku, and it's a letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku, this will be number 4173. 4173. Before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. We have here, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, well, it's a 1 star, but for a letter Sudoku, I need more time than a 1 star Sudoku. A 1 star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for a letter Sudoku, 15 to 20 minutes I need. Because, well, in a Sudoku with digits, we have 9 digits, and in a letter Sudoku we have 9 different letters, and it's not all the time the same, because the alphabet has 26 letters, and here we have 9 out of 26. We have the S, the K, the T, the R, the J, the H, the I, the A, the C, and the goal is to solve this word in this row. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have I in this row, I in the row below. So in the last row, only place left for the I should be there. H in this row, H in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the H should be there. H in this column, H in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the H should be there. Alright, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the H. We have an H in this column, first column, so no H in these 2 boxes. Here an H in the 3rd row, so no H in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the H should be there. Then, yeah. How about the letter? These 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is a C. We see here C in the 3rd row, so no C in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the C should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square. Those missing letters are the T is missing and the J is missing. We see here T, no T there. T should be here and the J goes there. Alright. Okay, so yeah. 3 missing letters in the first column. Those missing letters are the S is missing, the A is missing, and the J is missing. S, A, J. Well, we have an A in this row, so no A there. Here an A in the middle row, so no A in that box. One box left for the A. Should be there. So two missing letters now. The S is missing and the J is missing. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here. And S goes there. All right. Okay. Let me see. How about? Yeah. Well, we have here 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We have an I in this column, so no I in these 3 boxes. So the I could be here, could be there. I in this column, I in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the I should be here. Or there, we see that I, no I there. I should be there. Alright. Okay. How about? Yeah. Yeah. The J, missing the J. J. Okay. I'm thinking. Interesting. We have a C in the 3rd row, the C in the 2nd row, so the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there, C should be here. Then Yeah. How about? I'm thinking. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. Center big square. One of the missing letters is an S. A S. We have a S in this row. So no S in these 2 boxes. Here an S in the middle column, so no S in those 2 boxes. So the S could be here, could be there. S in one of those 2 boxes in this column, S in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the S, should be there. So now we have 2 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the J is missing, and the letter C is missing. J and C, JC. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Okay. All right. So now we have 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters A is missing. And the R is missing. We have an R in this row, so no R in that box. So the R should be there. And the A goes there. A in this column, A in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the A should be here or there. We see there ain't no A there, A should be there. And we have a pair, I believe, or not. Let me see. Yeah, we have a pair. We have a R and an A in this row. R and A in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the R and A should be in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left, one letter left, correction, in the third row for the letter the K is missing here. Yeah, the K is missing. T and the J. T and the J are missing. So two missing letters in this big square. For letters, T is missing and the J is missing. TJ. 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 Okay, TJ. And look, in this column we have three missing letters. The TJ and the I. And look, we have a T and a J in the middle row. So no T and a J in this box. The T and the J goes in those two boxes. T and the J. TJ. So one letter left in this middle column for letter I. TJ, TJ. We have a J there, no J there. J should be there. And the T goes there. One letter missing in this big square for letter T. Okay. H is also missing. No. R is missing. And J is missing here. Three missing letters in this big square. We have here the S, but also the R is missing and the J is missing. We see here J in this row. So no J there, so the J goes. We have a J in this row, J in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the J should be there. And I've eliminated the S, so the S goes there. So one letter is missing in this big square for the letter R. Okay. Well. Two missing letters in the first row for the letters T is missing. And the H is missing. T and the H. TH. Okay. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We see here an A in this row, so no A in this box. Here an A in this column, so no A in that box. So one box left for the A. Should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. S is missing. And C is missing. S and C. S and C. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here, and a C goes there. Now we have a C there, so this box can be C anymore. That box should be a C, and this box should be a J. Alright, J in this row, J in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the J should be there. J in the last column, J in the column next, so in that column, only 2 places left for the J should be here. Or there, we see there J, no J there, J should be here. And all the J's are used, I can see. Letter number 1, letter J. Okay. 2 missing letters In this big square here we have the R and the A, T and the H. So the other two missing letters are the I and the I and the K. I and the K. We have an I here, so no I there. I should be here. And the K goes there. Okay. I. Well. Yeah. These two missing letters in the second column are the missing letters are the I is missing and the C is missing. I and the C. We have a C there, no C there. C should be here. And the I goes there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, H is missing and the R is missing. H and the R. We have a R there, no R there. R should be here. And the H goes there. So now we have two missing letters in this row for the word. I is missing and the K is missing. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the K goes there. Well, I've solved this in 16 minutes. The word in Dutch is schatrijk. In English, wealthy or rich. Yeah. Okay. Let me continue. So we have a K in this last column, K in the column next. So that column, only two places left for the K should be here or there. We see that K, no K there, K should be here. Two missing letters in this row for the letters. S is missing. And the T is missing. S and the T, I cannot fill this yet. Alright. Two missing letters in the middle row. For the letters, C is missing. And the H is missing. C and the H. C and the H. We have an H there, no H there. H should be here and the C goes there. Now we have an H there, so this box can be H anymore. That box should be an H and this box should be a T. Now we have a T there, so this box can be T anymore. That box should be a T and this box should be an S. A S. A T in this column, T in the last column, T in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the T should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing and the R is missing. S and the R. We have an S there, no S there. S should be here and the R goes there. Now we have an R there, so this box can be R anymore. That box should be an R. And this box should be an A. A in the last column, A in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the A should be there. Find no two numbers in this big square. For the letter C is missing. And the R is missing. C and R, we have R there, no R there, R should be here, and the C goes there. Finish in 90 minutes. Told you 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve a letter Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other two puzzles, a tectonic and a 2 stars puzzle. Sudoku, yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.